And also understanding that veterans come with invisible disabilities, things that you can't see, things that have like PTSD type syndromes and issues and mental health concerns we just don't see. As a result, they just get left by the wayside. The corporate world is not designed for that, and they just assume that these people are slacking off or just not listening or whatever it might be. As part of this program, coach the veteran on what they can do for these concerns. Now that's corporate transition side. The other thing we do is the Python side. So we've talked about PDI on this podcast before, which is the Pybites Developer Initialization Program. That's where we coach people on Python from zero. So you're assuming you know nothing, don't even know the command line. You start sweating when someone asks you to code something. People of zero skill, right? Zero knowledge. We take them and teach them Python and the technology around it to help them build a level of competency. We've combined both of those pieces, the Python and tech, with the career transition stuff, and that's our PDI for Veterans program. That's what we're doing.